Welcome everyone. Exciting times are ahead for the crypto community, and you're here right in the thick of it. Altcoins are taking center stage, marking what could be one of the most pivotal phases in this market cycle. Coins like XRP and XRP have already begun stealing the spotlight with impressive performances, but let me tell you, this is just the beginning. The real action is only now starting to unfold, and the opportunities ahead could be transformative for those paying attention. Are you ready to capitalize on what might be the biggest altcoin surge of the year? In today's video, we're diving deep into why this is such a critical moment for altcoins and what it means for the broader crypto market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, this is the perfect time to strategize and prepare for what's coming. Have you positioned yourself to take advantage of this market shift? And if not, what are you waiting for? If you're new here, I'm glad to have you join us. By the end of this video, I hope you'll find enough value to hit that subscribe button and become part of this journey. Now, let's kick things off and dive into the exciting world of altcoins. Before we dive into the exciting details, let's take a moment for some self-care. Check your posture, sit up straight, take a deep breath, and get ready to absorb some valuable insights. Trust me, you'll want to be fully focused for this one. Now, turning to the market's performance over the last 24 hours, XRP came incredibly close to hitting the 50-cent mark. Can you believe it? It even managed to trade slightly above 50 cents for a brief period. This remarkable growth has been thrilling to watch, especially for those of us who have been keeping a close eye on these coins. At the same time, Bitcoin appears to be entering a consolidation phase. It's moving slower, showing less volatility, and honestly, it's starting to look a bit boring. But here's the exciting part. This exact scenario has played out in previous cycles. Historically, when Bitcoin slows down like this, it creates the perfect environment for altcoins to shine. It's almost like a passing of the baton where altcoins step up and begin their explosive rally. If history is any indication, we're standing on the brink of another major altcoin surge. Let's take a moment to revisit Bitcoin's historical behavior, as it often serves as a guide for what's happening now. Back in early 2021, we witnessed a significant shift. Bitcoin's explosive momentum began to cool, and in its place, altcoins started to dominate the market. This wasn't just a one-off event, it was a clear pattern, a signal that money was beginning to rotate out of Bitcoin and into other projects with high potential. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing strikingly similar patterns emerge. Bitcoin dominance, a key metric in understanding the flow of capital in the crypto space, is starting to slip. Historically, this has been a strong indicator that an altcoin surge is just around the corner. Are we about to see a repeat of 2021, or could this cycle be even more dramatic? What makes this even more thrilling is Bitcoin itself. As it edges closer to the monumental $100,000 mark, it's paving the way for the next leg up in the market. But here's the big question. If Bitcoin's performance can bring this much excitement, what could the upcoming altcoin season deliver? Could this be the moment where certain altcoins finally outperform Bitcoin in both gains and market attention? The crypto market is absolutely buzzing with activity, and it's hard not to feel the excitement in the air. One of the key developments fueling this momentum is the recent minting of $2 billion worth of Tether. Historically, such large-scale mints have often been a precursor to significant Bitcoin price surges. Could this be another one of those moments? It's something worth watching closely. But that's not all. Ethereum is quietly making moves that could shake up the market. In terms of trading volume, Ethereum is narrowing the gap with Bitcoin, now sitting just $6 billion away. This is a pivotal moment as it signals a shift in market dynamics. Could Ethereum be about to outshine Bitcoin in this cycle? If Ethereum does surpass Bitcoin in trading volume, it would mark the start of what many refer to as phase 2 of the market cycle. This is the phase where Ethereum often takes the lead, capturing the attention of traders and investors alike. And as history shows us, when Ethereum takes center stage, it paves the way for the grand finale and altcoin explosion. Are we standing at the threshold of one of the most exciting phases in this cycle? The signs certainly point in that direction. Massive XRP transactions have been making waves across the market, minus 58 million, 87 million XRP in a single transfer, and many more of similar magnitude. These aren't just random occurrences, they represent a clear indication of growing interest and movement among big players in the crypto space. Such volumes are significant, especially when you consider that XRP's current trading levels are still below the peaks we saw in 2021. Now, here's where it gets exciting. This level of liquidity is gradually returning to the market. The sheer scale of these transactions suggests that we could be on the verge of something monumental. With this kind of momentum building, breaking past previous highs isn't just a possibility, it's starting to look like a very realistic scenario. Do you think XRP has what it takes to surpass its 2021 peak? And if it does, how far do you see it going? By the end of this year, don't be surprised if XRP doesn't just break its 2021 high, but sets entirely new records. The question isn't just whether XRP can climb higher, it's about how much higher it can go once the market fully re-engages with this token. With all these signals aligning, we could be standing at the start of XRP's most explosive rally yet. What are your thoughts? Are you ready for the ride? Altcoins such as ICP, Algo, ADA, and XRP have been making significant strides in recent weeks, showcasing impressive gains that have caught the attention of many in the crypto community. These aren't just random spikes either, they're part of a broader trend that's been gradually reshaping the narrative around what truly holds value in the cryptocurrency space. For the longest time, meme coins dominated headlines and attracted massive trading volumes, fueled primarily by hype and speculation. While they provided short-term excitement, their lack of real-world utility left many questioning their longevity. Now the tides are turning and utility coins are finally stepping into the spotlight. These are projects built on solid foundations, offering real-world applications that address existing challenges or improve upon current systems. Take ADA, for example, with its focus on scalability and decentralized finance, or Algo's emphasis on speed and security. XRP is carving a niche in cross-border payments, while ICP is pushing the boundaries of decentralized web services. These projects are more than just buzzwords, they represent the next evolution of blockchain technology. With regulatory frameworks looming on the horizon, the market's priorities are shifting. Investors are now gravitating toward projects that can withstand scrutiny and deliver tangible benefits. This isn't just a passing phase, it's a sign of the market maturing. So the question arises, are we witnessing the beginning of a new era where utility coins become the dominant force in crypto? And if so, which of these projects will lead the charge? One thing is clear, the focus on real-world applications is setting the stage for a more robust and sustainable market environment. Bitcoin dominance has officially started its descent, a pivotal indicator that signals the long-awaited beginning of alt season. This isn't just speculation, it's a recurring pattern in crypto cycles. Historically, when Bitcoin dominance breaks its established trendline, it sets the stage for altcoins to take the lead and deliver explosive gains. If the current trend continues and the break happens as expected, history suggests that the peak of this alt season could occur within 120 to 270 days. Could this be the most lucrative alt season we've ever seen? However, it's important to approach this phase with a strategic mindset. Alt season is known for its intensity, but also its brevity. The biggest surges often occur in a matter of weeks, leaving little room for hesitation. Timing, as always, is critical. This is the phase where many investors see life-changing opportunities, but it's also where greed can cloud judgment. When profits appear, especially those that could significantly impact your financial future, it's vital to take them. Many altcoins historically struggle to regain their peak prices after a cycle ends, and holding too long could mean missing out on gains that took years to materialize. So ask yourself, are you ready for what could be the most exciting and fleeting phase of this market cycle? Will you have the discipline to seize opportunities when they arise? Alt season doesn't last long, but for those prepared, it can be nothing short of transformational. Analysts such as Credible Crypto have drawn attention to XRP's intriguing 5-wave impulsive move, a classic pattern in Elliott theory that often signals significant price movement. According to this analysis, XRP is currently on the verge of a macro wave 5, which could push its price well beyond the $2 mark. Such a development would not only break through psychological resistance, but also set the stage for XRP to retest and possibly exceed its previous all-time highs. This scenario is more than just a technical possibility, it's a potential game changer for the market. Imagine the level of excitement and momentum that would accompany XRP shattering its previous records. Back in 2021, XRP's price surges were met with unparalleled hype, capturing global attention from traders and investors alike. Now, with the market's renewed focus on utility-driven coins, the hype surrounding XRP could reach entirely new levels. What's particularly compelling is the timing. If Bitcoin dominance continues to decline and alt season begins in earnest, the conditions could align perfectly for XRP's Wave 5 to take center stage. This move wouldn't just elevate XRP's price, it would also reinforce its position as a leading project in the crypto ecosystem, potentially attracting a new wave of investors. The question now is, could this be the moment that propels XRP into uncharted territory? And if so, how far could the momentum carry it this time around? With such a pivotal setup unfolding, XRP's next moves will undoubtedly be some of the most closely watched in the crypto space. Altcoin season has officially arrived, and the opportunities are plentiful for those who are prepared. Coins like XRP, XRP, and others are showing strong potential for significant gains in this dynamic market phase. The charts, the trading volume, and the market sentiment all point to an exciting period ahead. But remember, timing and strategy are everything. Staying informed and making smart, well-calculated decisions will be the key to capitalizing on this unique window of opportunity. As you navigate this altcoin season, make it a priority to take profits wisely when they align with your financial goals. This isn't just about chasing the hype, it's about securing your gains and building toward the future. The market moves fast, and while the rewards can be incredible, the risks are equally present. So stay vigilant and focused, and don't let emotions dictate your actions. Are you ready to make the most of what could be the biggest altcoin rally of this cycle? What's your strategy for this alt season? Are you targeting specific coins like XRP and XRP? Or are you diversifying across the market? If you enjoyed this analysis and found it helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support means a lot. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay informed, stay focused, and be at peace.